Alright, for today's video, I'll be using the nature element. And because of the whole TikTok ban thing, CapCut also got dragged into it for some reason. I don't know why. So the app is down. I had to go use a VPN to make this video, so I hope you guys enjoy. And also, I'll be making the tier list video right after this video, since now the game is no longer in maintenance. Me bum! Get over here! No! Stop! Oh my gosh, I forgot to say. I literally don't know what to do at the end of the video, so I'm gonna just end it off right here with an outro. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and also I hope you guys are also happy with about the fact that Enspellment's back up again. Though nature is probably not the best element, it's not the worst. But I'll be making the tier list tomorrow, so be ready to see it. And also, I'll try to go on course with making more element videos. And please don't forget to subscribe, and see you guys later and watch the rest of the video.